तो क्या दुआ
Bro.
guys, we are making a challenge, playing a challenge. So who's gonna lose? Two gonna lose. They're gonna pay 20 rupees, and the one who come first, who's gonna win 40 rupees. So let's talk in English. So what do you guys do? You are student, you are working.
We are bachelors. We are in first year,
Absolutely jobless.
and we are jobless.
So you both are jobless.
Yeah.
So what your
living our
future goal, bro? What is your future goal? What you want to become in your future?
I just want to marry a girl who could understand me.
That's it.
That's it.
What about you, bro? What is your future goal?
I want to explore the world. I love adventuring, and that's it. I want to explore the world.
You want to explore the world. So which is your favorite country, bro?
My favorite place is Switzerland. I wanna go to Switzerland. It's my my first. If I
Okay, you can say, bro. This is easy, bro. Say it.
Ever get chance?
if I get a chance to go after
Then I'm going with him.
go after India. Ara.
Yes! He lose, bro. He's the one. He have to pay 20 rupees and then we both can.
I don't have cash, so I'll pay.
Oh, you can pay. Now you can speak in Hindi. You just lost, bro.
हिंदी बोल
Congratulations,
सकता
bro.
हूँ।
You lost, bro.
अरे जब मैं इंडिया से बाहर जाऊंगा ना फर्स्ट प्लेस में करूंगा स्विट्जरलैंड भी
Okay, you have to speak in English, but you lose. Now the challenge between
Okay.
two of us.
I don't think so.
My 20 rupees is
I could lose this challenge because I guess my English is good, so I don't think so.
You don't think you're gonna lose this challenge?
Of course not.
Okay, but bro, I can make you lose this challenge because my English is very bad. Maybe you don't understand anything, but one day you'll understand everything.
yeah bro.
I'm understanding everything what you are saying to me, but it's quite hard for me to what you're talking. Your grammar is little,
Yeah, bro,
but it's good.
My
But I
thing-
guess it's good for communication. So I like your English.
you're laughing, bro. You're
Bro,
making
can we
fun
start
of me.
again?
No, I'm not making.
No, bro, we can't start again. But you can ask question.
I will not have questions.
No, please ask easy questions so I couldn't lose.
So-
because you are my friend,
Okay.
we have to lose this man.
So you say that you are 28 years old.
Yeah, I'm 28-year-old, bro. Yeah.
That's great.
Do you have any question for me?
What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to become a cricketer, to become an Indian cricket team captain. I want to break Vaibhav Suryavanshi's record.
Oh, nice.
One
Then
day,
why
bro,
you
when
start
I,
jogging?
because
You have to play cricket then.
bro,
Ask me in Hindi, I guess.
no, bro,
No, bro. I can.
So he could lose, I guess. Maybe if you talk in Hindi.
Yeah. That's
bro, but don't do it, bro.
Bro is my friend, so I'll let him win.
Bro, would you like to be my friend, bro?
Yeah, I'll be friend after the.
After this conversation.
Yeah, after the conversation.
So, okay, ask me some question in Hindi. Maybe I can lose my control.
Lose my control. It's quite. I guess it's.
It's hard, bro. Man.
Lose my control. Okay.
Okay, lose your control. Say it, bro. I wanna hear.
I can't say
Bro, it's
anything
sounding
in
like-
Hindi, so I will be f up. Okay,
F up.
I can't.
No, bro, please, bro. I wanna hear, bro. You looking so handsome, bro. When you say this thing.
Thanks for your compliment, bro. I appreciate it. Bro.
But I don't appreciate it, bro, when you don't say.
By the way, what's your channel name?
My name is Christian Rathore. Do you wanna subscribe?
Channel name?
Christian Rathore.
Rathore.
Yeah, bro. Because I am so lazy to think a good name for my
Okay.
YouTube channel.
No, it's good.
What about you, bro? Do you have any future goal to become something? If you can,
Christian?
Rathore.
I'm a good man. A green forest. And
Is
that's
Rathore
all.
is
I
your,
guess being a good man is all what you want in your life, so I can help people. But it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Which one, bro?
This one, bro. Bro, you can be a good man, bro. If you buy me a ticket of Spider-Man movie.
I don't think so. I could buy you a ticket.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool, bro. So, do you have any crush on someone?
No, I don't think so. Recently, no.
So, have you ever been in a relationship?
No, I'm totally single. Cause in about 10, I was
Bro, I'm going to play volleyball. so
Yeah, bro.
You can enjoy your conversation.
You bored here,
Okay, bro.
right? You are going to.
Yeah, I'm going.
let me
You're-
alone here.
Yeah, you.
Bro, you are looking absolutely gorgeous, bro.
Oh, thank you, bro.
God.
I'm just lying, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, you have so expensive phone. Someone is calling, bro. You have to talk,
It's not my phone.
bro. But you have to take this phone for your friend.
Someone is calling you, bro.
Bro, he is sent taking lose his control over English.
No, I don't.
Your English is really good. How you learn English?
I just watch English movies or dubbed. So I don't think so. I have to learn English from something else here.
What do you think about my broken English?
No, your English is pretty good. It's not that much broken. I appreciate it, bro.
Okay, thank you so much for appreciating. Otherwise, everybody is hating me.
No, nobody hates you, bro. I don't think so.
Bro, now call is yours.
No, it's not my.
You have to take, bro.
Someone is calling you.
Bro, I don't know, but bro, I am thinking no one is going to lose this competition.
So I guess it's a tie match.
There is time match. What time is it right now?
It's 5 or 6. 5.
5 minutes more.
I don't think so.
Do you have fun?
It's 6:21.
So 6:30 is the time match. What do you say?
Okay, I'm.
Or you want more?
No, it's okay.
6:30. Okay, bro. The time limit is 6:30. If we both can't lose our control on English, then we both are winner, and I am the big winner. So, bro, your hair are so good, bro. I like your hair.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for your compliment.
How you learn English? I am so confused, bro, because most of the people can't speak this type of good English. For example, me.
No, I don't think so. My English is that good. It's pretty well, and your English is also very good.
Yeah, thanks, bro. So what we are going to next? Maybe I should ask about his relationship so he can lose his control over his English and his girlfriend as well.
I don't think so. I could lose my control. I have a good control in my language or my body language.
Something naughty comes in your mind.
No. Absolutely not, bro.
But in the background I can hear some crazy words.
No, it's not crazy background. Not that background. You are thinking quite little more.
So tell me, you are in a relationship when you are in your 10th grade.
No, absolutely not. I was single since I was born.
Since you was born. You haven't fall for any girl?
Yeah. I have fall for a girl or maybe one or two, but now this was not a topic I should talk about. So let's
Okay, bro.
forget it.
This time I am be kind, so we are not going to talk about your personal thing.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Okay, thank you later, bro.
I'll thank you later.
So, bro, what is your hobbies? Like, what you like to do in your free time?
I just screen rolling. What I'm saying, bro. I guess I am bubbling or something. Scrolling reels all day, sleeping. That's all.
Okay,
Roaming with friends.
roaming with your friends. So you like roaming with your friends? You like sleeping? You like watching some kind of movies like Spider-Man?
Yeah, Hollywood movies. I would say I like Hollywood movies, and South Indian movies are good, but not Bollywood. Very less.
Very less. I think you should be a English teacher, because your English is pretty good.
No, as I am a BSc student, so that's why my English is good. My subject is English. I have learned from this from my schools, my good teachers. So
You know what, Rishi bro, my friends are also BSc and they also study in a very good school, but their English is broken just like me.
no, your English is good. It's not broken.
Okay, bro. So, do you mind if I ask you like what kind of girl you like to date in your future, if you are comfortable talking about it?
Bro, sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry.
There is not a
ज़ुबान फिसल जाती है ना भाई.
perfect type I am looking for. Maybe I have time to think about it, but not now.
Not now. So, you haven't think about it yet. So, what you want to become in your future?
I just taught you that I want to become just a good man.
Like
A good man.
just a good man. Do you have
A
any
green forest.
green forest?
Yeah, I am, but yeah.
Why you are not dating anyone? You are not ready yet, or you are waiting for a perfect time?
No one falls for me. That's why.
No one fall. I mean, why nobody is fall for you? Because you are amazing person. I can see you.
Because of my looks or looks.
your looks is so good, bro. You're just
Yeah.
overthinking. Trust me, your look is amazing. Your communication is amazing. I mean, you are perfect, bro. 10 on 10. Well, but there is just one problem, bro. Someone is hitting on my head. But there is one problem in you. You are like green forest, bro. Girls like red
yeah,
forest.
Yeah, I know.
Hi, bro. What's up? What's up, bro? So, what time is it right now?
It's 27.
So we have just 3 minutes left. You
Yep.
ask him more, bro, in Hindi, please.
जा रहे हैं हम. ठीक है. ठीक है, बोल दिया तूने. नहीं बोला.
You can go, guys. It's only 3 minutes left. I'm not gonna lose because I'm a winner. So, yeah.
But I am also winner in this game. Then who is the main winner?
I guess it's a tie
You are
match.
the winner, bro, because your English is so good, bro. I mean,
Thank you. Bro.
super good, man. But you are going to say Hindi. I have to do something. Wait, bro, can you come here? Bro, we are actually making a challenge. Please make him speak in Hindi.
I guess its time is now over. It doesn't.
You have just 2 minutes left, bro.
Yeah, I guess.
I think you are losing your control. You can ask me some question if you want. Maybe I can lose my control.
I don't think so. You are losing your control. You wanna win.
Bro, my English is not that good like you. Maybe I can lose my control if
Your
you...
communication skill is good. I think.
Bro, you know what, bro? I am bored.
I'm bored too, bro. You are absolutely right.
And audience is also bored. They already left.
Yeah, I guess.
And who is watching this video like right now? You guys are real gem, and I am legend.
Legend, yeah, legend.
So, what's your like? What you are going to do after like your college?
I'm going to do B.Ed or maybe MSc.
MSc. So, you wanna pursue like teaching stuff?
Yeah.
That's
Teaching
cool.
stuff.
That's cool. Oh my god. So you wanna be a teacher in your future? So do you have any a secret talent, hidden talent?
No, I don't have any hidden talent. Not a single talent.
So do you like singing songs, maybe listening songs, something like that?
I'm a bathroom singer, so I don't sing. I have good singing skills.
You have a good singing skill.
No.
That's good. That's good, bro. But maybe girls should date you because you are so awesome, bro. I can see. If I am a girl, then I would love to go on a date with you.
Thank you for your appreciation, bro.
But but unfortunately, bro, I am a guy.
Yeah.
That's bad thing, bro.
God's plan, bro. God's plan.
But it's a very bad plan, right?
Yeah.
There is some crazy tension going between us. But what are I am saying? I'm just about to lose my control, you know.
Yeah, we.
Yeah.
30 minutes are done.
30 डन भाई साहब इस गेम में कोई भी नहीं जीत पाया भाई एक तरफ भाई इंग्लिश बोलते ही रहे पर भाई मेरी तरफ से विनर है भाई क्योंकि भाई की इंग्लिश माँ कसम क्रेजी है कैसा लगा भाई करके
अच्छा लगा भाई आपके साथ।
पर अरे भाई क्या क्रेजी बंदे हो क्या आप मतलब क्या सही बोलते हो भाई
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू यार।
अगर मैंने आपको कुछ ऐसे बोला होगा ना फनी करने के लिए
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल भी
सॉरी
नहीं,
उसके लिए
बिल्कुल भी नहीं। तो बढ़िया लगा भाई।
हाँ थैंक यू भाई टाइम के लिए अभी जा रहे हो क्या
हाँ भाई।
हाँ चलो शुक्रिया भाई मिलते हैं कभी दूसरी बार
ठीक है,
थैंक यू सो मच भाई टाइम के लिए याद रहेगी अभी अब देखूंगा मैं 80 साल के हो गए ये वीडियो
बिल्कुल भाई हम भी देखेंगे फिर जब आप अपलोड करोगे।
हाँ पर अस बूढ़े होके देखना मजा है पर मैं रखता ना बूढ़े के लिए आप पता नहीं अभी देखोगे
हाँ, क्या पता हो सकता
बूढ़े में चलो भाई शुक्रिया भाई टाइम के लिए मिलते हैं अपन देर बोलना चाहोगे कुछ कोई इंस्टा वगैरह तो नहीं कुछ
है। कोई बात नहीं, इंस्टा की जरूरत नहीं है। भाई को फॉलो करो भाई, नाइस
ठीक है
सपोर्ट करो भाई।
थैंक यू भाई ऋषि भाई मिलते हैं अपन ठीक है भाई शुक्रिया भाई